Hello there. The warmth that's been gripping many central parts of Europe over recent days is getting pushed further east because we've got low pressure and a bit of a thundery breakdown heading in from the Atlantic. So lots of cloud on the satellite image across parts of Portugal, Spain. It's been pushing into France, the Alpine region and the UK, bringing showery rain already. Into Monday, more of the same towards the north and the west. More heavy showers to come, particularly for parts of France, southern England, heading towards Denmark as well. Warmer weather meanwhile further east. Still quite warmer around the Black Sea, but it's quite unsettled still. Further showers to come across parts of Turkey. Dry and sunny for much of Italy. Things are going to be turning a little bit warmer for Spain too over the next few days. But on Monday, we have still got some showers for northern Portugal and north Spain, right across France towards Switzerland. That showery weather is set to continue into Denmark as well. But look at those temperatures. Stockholm at around 30 degrees. So that heat still holding on across some eastern parts of Scandinavia towards Poland as well over the next few days. The showers continue their progress gradually further south and east into Tuesday. So lots of heavy showers for the likes of Switzerland and France once again. Still some showers in the forecast for London and Paris, but it will be turning a little bit warmer over the next couple of days. The heat really building though in Madrid up to about 31 Celsius by this coming weekend. Cooler than it has been though for Berlin with some showers around. It's still hot for Moscow. Bye-bye. Hello there. The intense heat we had across parts of the Middle East, particularly Oman, last week is subsiding now. So some slightly cooler weather across much of the Middle East. We'll look at that in a moment. First off, Africa and some heavy rain around the equatorial region and the Gulf of Guinea. You can see the cloud that we had. So the heaviest of the downpours, I think, through the day on Monday will be from Sierra Leone, Liberia as well, also affecting parts of Nigeria and Cameroon as well. Meanwhile, some showers pushing close to Cape Town. Another reasonably warm day at around about 22 degrees, but things will turn cooler through the course of the week. Staying hot across parts of central North Africa, including Libya, Algeria and Tunisia. But let's take a look at Cape Town. Some showers arrive by Tuesday and those temperatures are going to be dipping down. Meanwhile, for Khartoum, as we'd expect, it is hot, it is sunny with temperatures about 40 degrees, perhaps a little bit higher than that. Some sunny spells for Casablanca, Kinshasa and Lusaka as well. Onto the Middle East, where it's not quite as hot as it has been. We've still got Shamal winds coming in, but they're not as strong as recent days. So by Monday, not as much in the way of lifted dust with any of those gusty winds. Still quite windy around the coast of Oman, and it's hot a little bit further north, especially across central and northern parts of Iran up towards the Caspian Sea as well. So the heat holding on here. But it is looking dry, hot and sunny for Muscat, Dubai, Riyadh and also for Kuwait. Bye for now. Hello. The remnants of ex-tropical depression Dolores bringing some heavy rain at the moment across some southern and southwestern parts of Mexico, which we'll look at in just a moment. First off to South America, lots of shower cloud across the northern half of the continent. More heavy rain in the forecast for the likes of Colombia, also for northern parts of Peru, northern Ecuador as well. So enhanced rainfall across this zone. Meanwhile, we've got drier weather that's holding on as we head our way further east. So lots of heavy showers around, but for parts of Suriname, Guyana and central and eastern Brazil, the weather is looking predominantly dry. Still quite warm for Brasilia, Rio de Janeiro, 26 degrees, but cooler conditions a little bit further south. We've got this area of cloud here, and to the south of that, it's just 12 degrees for Buenos Aires, for instance. Quite chilly across much of central and southern Argentina into Chile, and some brisk winds for southern Chile as well. For Buenos Aires, after the cool spell of weather we've seen recently, temperatures will recover through the course of this week, up to about 17 degrees by the time we get to Wednesday. Now, the remnants of Dolores still bringing some heavy rain. There could be impacts with flooding and potential mudslides across some western parts of Mexico. Heavy rain down towards Guatemala, but the showers, I think, fewer and further between across parts of the Caribbean for the next few days. So the outlook, and we have got showers in the forecast at times for Havana, San Salvador, San Jose too. Things looking mostly dry though in Kingston. Bye-bye. Hello there. The third cyclone of the Atlantic hurricane season has formed, Tropical Storm Claudette. It has now weakened into a depression. It made landfall around the Gulf Coast. It's now moving its way inland, still bringing some very heavy rain through the remainder of the weekend across parts of Alabama, Georgia, and then up towards the Carolinas. On the tail end of that tropical system, still further rain pushing into parts of Louisiana, southern Texas as well. Elsewhere across the United States, we've got low pressure that's pushing out of the Canadian prairies, heading through the Midwest towards southern parts of the Great Lakes. So some heavy rain, squally winds and an isolated risk of tornadoes here. Meanwhile, we're seeing a few showers moving in across parts of Alaska and British Columbia too, but dry weather holding on in the west. Not only dry, but once again very, very hot, with temperatures for Las Vegas and Phoenix up at around 113 or 114 Fahrenheit. It stays very hot across parts of California, Nevada and Arizona over the next couple of days. That heat wave really sticking around. Now, Sunday looks like a largely dry day for the likes of Montreal towards New York as well, but we have got that heavy rain associated with ex-tropical depression Claudette still bringing downpours across the Carolinas. Could be about 6 to 8 inches of rain, enough to cause some flooding issues for a few places, and it remains fairly unsettled. More showers for many cities in the east over the next few days. Bye-bye. Hello there. We've seen some high temperatures over recent days across parts of Central Asia, but that warmth will be subsiding a little bit. For instance, close to the Caspian Sea, where it has been very hot recently. Meanwhile, across India, the monsoon rains are, of course, continuing, but they're not particularly heavy for this time of year. Particularly around the west coast, we'd expect the rain to be a little bit heavier here. Through the rest of Sunday, on into Monday as well, just a few scattered showers towards the west, but the heaviest of the rain, the most intense rainfall, will be concentrated towards the northeast of India, also for eastern parts of Nepal, Bangladesh and towards Myanmar as well. Heading into Central Asia now, some scattered showers with low pressure across northern parts of Kazakhstan. Still hot for Turkmenistan, Uzbekistan as well. Temperatures in Ashgabat at around 35 Celsius, so not quite as hot as it has been. A lot of sunshine for southern Pakistan, then we're back into the showers for parts of Gujarat. Down the west coast, we're keeping those afternoon showers that will be tending to bubble up. Fewer showers further east for the likes of Chennai and down towards Sri Lanka as well. But we've got some heavier rain across parts of Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, up towards the far northeast of India as well. Few showers in the forecast for Mumbai, nothing particularly heavy here. Islamabad looking hot and dry, and 1 or 2 showers at times in Colombo as well. Just an outside chance of a shower, I think, for Chennai. Mostly dry here. Lots of sunshine for Tashkent. Bye for now. Hello there. The weather's looking quite unsettled across parts of Australia, with slow-moving low pressure in charge, especially in the west. We'll look at that in just a moment. A bit further north, then you can see from the satellite image, plenty of cloud around across parts of Indonesia, up towards the Philippines as well. That is shower cloud. Will continue to bring some heavy showers and some thunderstorms, as we'd expect really for this time of year. Further north, though, higher pressure holding on at least for another few days for parts of South Korea and Japan as well. 28 degrees in Tokyo. But to the south of that, we've got this line of heavy rain, which we draped across the southeast of China, Taiwan as well, seeing some of that heavy rain on Monday into Tuesday too. Further south, some scattered heavy showers across northern parts of Thailand. Indonesia seeing plenty of heavy showers with some sunshine in between as well. Osaka looks largely dry over the next 5 days or so. Bangkok, some heavy showers and some thunderstorms. They should ease a little bit later this coming week. Now, across Australia, it is unsettled for Western Australia. We've got a slow-moving area of low pressure, so some cool weather with some showers for Perth. Temperatures just 14 degrees. Heavy rain for the Pilbara region as well. High pressure, though, building across eastern parts of Australia. The wind's easing away gradually. We've still got slow-moving low pressure across New Zealand too, so more heavy rain to come for southern parts of the North Island and northern parts of the South Island. It's also looking at quite windy. More showers to come for Melbourne. Things turning a little bit warmer this week in Perth. Bye-bye.